Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today I have a 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. This SLT has a lot of nice features. It has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, so you get an average of 27 miles a gallon. A 9-speed automatic transmission. Comes in this gorgeous Summit white. You go inside here and you have this gray and black interior. You have memory seats, power locks and windows and mirrors. It is leather. You have leather seats. They are heated. It is all-wheel drive. Come over here and you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have a backup camera. OnStar, GMC Maps Plus if you have the OnStar package, along with Amazon Alexa. You come down here and you have dual climate control for all your climate systems right here. This is your gear shifts. It's all electronic right here. Charging ports. Come over here to the steering wheel. You have a heated steering wheel. You have collision alert and your cruise control settings. Your Bluetooth and your menu select settings. This 2020 has 26,757 miles, so you do have a lot of the remaining factory warranty left with it, which is always nice. Now, I'm 6 foot tall and I have plenty of room in the back of these Terrains. They are small in size, but they are roomy. It has remote start, and it also has a hands-free liftgate. In the back of Terrains, even though they are small, they have plenty of cargo space. I mean, this is the all-weather tech floor mats that go up front, and you just see how much space is back there. Enough room for cargo for a getaway weekend trip, or fold those seats down. They fold down flat if you need it to. And this thing will not last long. We go through a lot of Terrains. It's very popular for the size and for the mileage because of the way gas prices are. So this thing will not last long, I promise you. So my number's down in the description. Call, text me. Let's talk numbers. Let's make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Stay to the end of the video and you'll get my phone number, website, and our social media links. And that's it. You're just gonna have to act fast because this thing will not go long. It's well taken care of. One owner, it's gonna go. So let's talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.